Welcome to Artsy Monkey Kids channel. Let us start the adventure of the Christmas clock that only ticked with joy. Hidden behind a dusty curtain in the corner of Santa's workshop was an old wooden door no elf ever opened. Behind that door stood something Santa visited only once a year: the Christmas clock. It wasn't an ordinary clock. It didn't show hours or minutes. It didn't chime or ring. It had just one magical purpose. The Christmas clock only ticked when joy was alive in the world. Every December, its joyful ticking grew louder and brighter, and with every tick, Christmas magic filled the air. But this year, the workshop felt a little colder. The lights seemed a little dimmer. And when Santa opened the old wooden door, Jack the elf gasped. The Christmas clock sat silent. Not a single tick. "Santa," Jack whispered, "why has it stopped?" Santa touched the clock gently. "Because joy must be low somewhere, and the clock listens to every heart in the world." Jack looked worried. "What do we do?" Santa smiled softly. "We find the missing pieces of joy and help them shine." The first missing joy, a forgotten game. Santa and Jack walked through the snowy North Pole village. They soon heard a soft sigh coming from the reindeer barn. Inside, young reindeer Pip sat alone beside a dusty, broken snowball launcher. Jack knelt beside her. "Pip, what's wrong?" Pip sniffled. "I wanted to play the snow toss game with the others, but the launcher broke and I didn't want to bother anyone." Jack smiled gently. "You can always ask for help." Together, he and Santa fixed the launcher. The moment Pip tossed the first snowball and burst into giggles, a soft tick echoed from far away. Jack brightened. "The clock!" Santa nodded. "One joy found." The second missing joy, a lonely elf, next. They found a small elf sitting quietly on a snowy bench. Her name was Tilly. "Tilly?" Jack asked softly. "Why so sad?" Tilly looked at her boots. "I made cookies for the Christmas party, but I burned every batch. Now I don't want to go." Santa knelt beside her. "Tilly, joy doesn't come from perfection. It comes from trying with love." Jack offered his hand. "Come bake with me. We'll do it together." Tilly smiled. Her heart felt lighter. And somewhere in the distance, tick, tick. Jack gasped happily. "That's two!" The third missing joy, a forgotten decoration. The last joy was harder to find. Santa and Jack searched the snowy streets until they noticed a small cottage with no lights, no wreath, no ribbon, no sparkle. Inside lived elder elf Norwin, the oldest elf in the North Pole. Norwin opened the door slowly. "Oh, hello," he said softly. Jack peeked inside. "Norwin, your home isn't decorated this year?" Norwin sighed. "My hands tremble now. I can't hang lights like I used to." Santa placed a hand on his shoulder. "You don't have to do it alone." Jack smiled warmly. "We'll help." Together, they decorated Norwin's cottage with glowing lanterns, soft garlands, and shining stars. When they stepped back to admire the lights, tick, tick, tick! The sound rang through the air like bursts of warm magic. Jack jumped in excitement. "Santa! The Christmas clock is alive again!" The clock of joy returns. They hurried back to the workshop and opened the door. The Christmas clock glowed brightly, golden light spinning through its wooden gears. Every joyful moment they found, every laugh, every smile, every act of love, had restarted the magic. Santa placed a hand over his heart. "Joy isn't something we wait for, it's something we create." Jack nodded proudly. "And when we share it, the world ticks brighter." The Christmas clock chimed one final warm note, sending joy across the North Pole and beyond. And that night, as snowflakes shimmered gently in the sky, Christmas magic felt fuller than ever before. All because Santa and Jack followed the missing pieces of joy and brought the heart of Christmas back to life. Thank you for watching our Artsy Monkey channel. Please like and subscribe to our channel